Good morning, guys. So today is a car show day. We're going out to downtown Las Cruces. Excuse me. We're going to downtown Las Cruces today for a car show. It's for Alzheimer's awareness. We had to register. It's like a donation, fundraising kind of thing. So we're gonna go down and check it out and see if there's any cool cars there, because mine's gonna look stock as fuck. It was a $35 registration to sign up for it, and it all goes towards their Alzheimer's awareness page. Hopefully it's a pretty good turnout. There's gonna be vendors, there's gonna be a lot of stuff there, and it should be a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So close to 200 subscribers, can't wait to get to that. Might do a little giveaway when we get there, so stay tuned for that. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, you guys. I mean, we suck at talking to you guys and everything like that. But y'all can ask us questions. I mean, hit me up on Instagram at sturner53. Hit me up on Twitter, sturner53. Had a couple of people ask me about the car and things like that. What kind of turbo kit I put in there, what it's running at, and I promised a video about what I've done to the car is coming soon. It's just like this video, you probably won't see this because today's Sunday, I think it's the 23rd. Yeah, today's Sunday the 23rd, and you probably won't see it till Friday, next Friday, because we've got so many videos cranking out for you guys, trying to upload every other day. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. I hope I enjoy this one. Should be a lot of fun. Stayed up all night. I took some C4, so I'm pretty pumped. About to go get some Starbucks. About to be like, what's that? And then I'm gonna crash. Like, I have so many videos to edit, and I just want to say thanks to Sal and Anthony, because they're the guys who actually do all the recording. Like, I have the cameras, but they literally do all that work recording. And then they're always helping. We're always helping each other out with our cars. And I mean, if you guys hit them up on social media, I'll have to get that for you. If you like want to talk to Sal or want to talk to Anthony, I mean, I'll get that. But like I said, hope you guys enjoy this video. Should be a fun day. I'm gonna try to start talking to the camera more. I'm still like, you know, why is that dude talking to a camera out in public? And it's just like really weird. But trying to get better at it, trying not to be as shy. I used to be a streamer on Twitch, so I'm pretty good at talking to people like live. I've never really, you know, vlogged or talked to people in a camera, and so thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Almost 200 subscribers. Woo! 200, dude. One day it'll be 200,000 subscribers. That's right. But I'm gonna stop talking now because I just ramble on and on. I'm gonna go get me some coffee.
Light it up, light it up, light it up. Light it up, light it up, light it
Give me a smile, Scott.
The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. What's all this for? It's got me turned around, but I can't ignore the feelings that I found in this whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. Find a way. Find a way. Find a way out. Find a way out. Find a way out. Find a way out. Find a way out.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over,